Welcome to this video on Cancer Ascendant, also known as Karka Lagna in Vedic astrology. Cancer Ascendants are among the most sensitive and caring individuals. Ruled by the moon, they are deeply connected to their emotions and tend to trust people easily. One of the most prominent traits of Cancer Ascendants is their ability to forgive. They possess immense emotional strength and can forgive others, no matter how significant the wrongdoing. Their capacity to move past pain is a remarkable quality that sets them apart from others. However, this sensitivity also comes with its challenges. Cancer Ascendants are prone to mood swings, and their emotional state can shift rapidly. They tend to get overwhelmed by their own thoughts and emotions, which sometimes causes them to feel down or frustrated. In relationships, Cancer Ascendants are nurturing and loving, but there may be adjustments to be made. In marriage, for instance, they may marry someone older, or their marriage life might require some adaptation to make it work harmoniously. Cancer Ascendants are caring partners who deeply value emotional security in their relationships. Physically, Cancer Ascendants often have round faces and a soft, nurturing appearance. They are emotionally expressive, and their faces often reflect their inner feelings, making them appear very loving and approachable. Cancer Ascendants are not afraid to show their vulnerability. They are often very emotional and will cry freely if something touches their heart. Despite their sensitive nature, they are deeply loyal and protective of their loved ones. In summary, Cancer Ascendants are compassionate, nurturing, and emotionally rich individuals. Their sensitivity and ability to forgive make them extraordinary people. But their emotional swings can sometimes be challenging. They are loving partners and friends who cherish the bonds they form. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other ascendants.